So guys, I'm doing another vlog today. Haven't done it in a while, for a couple days, because I've been waiting for today to actually do this vlog, because this one was going to be a really entertaining one. So I waited up until today. So we're here at my brother's house. We just picked up my uncle also because we just wanted to get a haircut as well, but also we're here because he was gonna start up the engine of the Honda. He finally, you know, rebuilt it and everything. So we're here just to have him start it up because we gotta see that car start up, because he rebuilt it all by himself, and he used some guy here that lives across the street. He used his tools. So let's see what happens today. It's gonna be great. So yeah, if Hampton, one more thing I want to say, if Hampton sees this car and he sees it start up, this guy's gonna be jealous. He's gonna be so jealous because this car has 0 miles. And then he went and bought a piece of crap Mercedes-Benz that barely even has any power and barely even works. So he's gonna be super jealous if he sees this car run up. He's probably gonna want to buy it also.
Yo, back up, man.
Marley.
Come on, man. Stop being scared. He's never scared.
Marley, get out of the under the car.
Put in the last ground wires on it.
Yeah. Looks nice. So this is all the tools he uses to get that engine on by himself. There's all the tools here. All the tools here to get the engine on. I'm also over here sitting on the Mac. Oh no, like a Mac. What is that called? This hammock is the word. Sitting here, she's about to fall. Fall. Don't te quedes sentar. Sit down. Do you have? Are you waiting? What are you waiting for? Are you waiting to see the car? Why wouldn't you show up?
I'm calling the guy right now that helped me build the motor. He asked me that he at least wants to be around when I turn it on, so
that's good.
Let's get him over here. I guess he was outside. Bug. You got that one. Hello, Brian.
Hi.
How you doing?
Not bad, you?
I'm doing good.
Yeah?
So I just wanted to let you know it's time.
It's time?
Yeah.
Start?
Yeah. So.
I'll be right over.
All right.
Okay?
I'll see you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
He's excited too.
Oh yeah. That's the first small engine like that he's built. He always built muscle cars and stuff. He don't know nothing about these little Hondas and.
Then what did he do? He just let you use the tools mostly.
Yeah.
That's what,
He just let me bring everything over to his garage and then give me some information on how to do stuff. Even though I already kind of knew how to do it, but
yeah.
You know.
And he has like a whole lift kit. I mean, the engine.
The engine lift.
Yeah.
I think he recorded the engine the last time on the stand. He let me use the stand too. He was gonna let me use the hoist, but I just lifted the whole car up and slid it right under.
Oh. You never know what happens with these cars. You never know if the engine will start, or if it won't start, or if it'll be a waste of money. Something interesting that I just saw right now. My brother actually put the battery in the trunk of the car. I don't know if it's so it could be less weight in the front of the engine. If you're gonna change it later.
Yeah.
And then get ready to go.
Yeah, okay. Do it. See if it winds over.
Here we go.
Time to see if it starts. Seeing that now.
Anyway, you got one on the motor? Okay, put the spark plug in. Fire it up. As soon as you fire that up, you'll have oil pressure. I can see the compression coming up with the rag.
Nice.
Okay? Batteries winding really fast enough.
Oh yeah.
So. And you got spark, right?
I should. I didn't check.
Oh. Well, it takes gas and spark to start the motor.
There was never anything wrong with the spark before, so.
Okay. Well, if there's
It
nothing
should,
wrong with it before,
hopefully.
well, I should fire it up. It's only a motor.
Only. You know how much time we spent on this?
Oh, you spent the time. All right, fire it up. Let's see if it runs. You ready? Keep your fingers crossed.
Let's see.
Started motor. Starter motor's not engaging.
It was just working.
I know.
Uh-oh.
I know. Yeah.
Está grabando también.
Nope.
Yo, this is ridiculous.
I know.
When it's not one thing, it's another. Are you kidding me?
Pull the plugs back out and see if it does the same thing. Because now you got compression to it, okay? Might be too tight at how much voltage is in the battery?
It's completely full.
It's full?
Yeah.
13 volts?
It was,
Pull two plugs out and see. So, see if that winds it over. Yeah. Starter motor is shooting the Bendix in, but it's not turning the motor. Sure enough. Hey, pull the rest of the plugs out. Let's do that. Starter motor. Okay?
why is it doing this?
That's what the problem is. See? It ain't nothing to do with your motor. It's the starter motor. Could be a bad brush or something, you know? How much is a new starter motor?
It's a lot.
Huh? Can we go up to junkyard and get one? Bendix is going in, but not winding on over.
So he just tried starting the engine like 5 times and it didn't go over. It went over the first time, but now the 5th or 6th time, I don't even have count, the engine's not starting up. So now they're thinking it's the starter motor. It's like it was working before and now it's not working. It's like it makes no sense, so we may have to go to the junkyard to get another one.
Put it back real quick.
No,
See if
it ain't
that
gonna
did
work.
anything. Yeah, but
Give me
it
a-
just don't
You
explain.
got a jumper wire? Jumper wire?
Yeah.
Put a jumper wire to the battery, and then we'll see. See, that's locking up. Sounds like making it go in. Oh, there it goes. Okay. That's what it's supposed to do.
So it's working.
Okay. In time? You got that in time? No fuel. That should be firing. See how it's kicking back in the starter? You got a lot of time. It's out of time. That's better. No. That's kicking back. It's out of time. All right, go cut here. I'll be back. Not yet, no.
So it's starting up, guys. It started. Started. It's working out.
Did I turn it off and take the starter out?
Yep.
The motor sounds great.
Motor sounds great. You had the wiring on. Okay? Had the
Yeah,
wiring.
look, you can see it vibrating on the that's the throwout battery.
Right, right.
The motor's good. That's the starter that's stuck. But the motor is fine.
All right.
Okay. All right, now you happy now?
Oh,
Go
I'm
cut
happy.
your hair now.
It's not
No,
smoking.
here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay now?
Oh.
You happy now?
Wiring, man. I need to take that starter out.
Well,
of there.
you had it wired wrong at the top,
Yep.
and it started right up. I knew it was kicking back on the starter. You know? All right, call me when we'll
When I'm done.
We'll buy a new starter. Okay?
All right.
All right.
I'll see you. I'll talk to you.
Okay.
I'll give you a call after I'm done.
Okay.
All
No
right.
problem. Okay.
All right.
Make sure you cut.
So yeah, the car just started. It's just the starter is stuck, like he said. So he's happy now. Now we got to see how it starts with the starter. And I don't know if I'm gonna be here when it happens, but I hope it is. Cause I want to hear it run, revving it when it sounds real good.
It sounded great.
That's what I'm waiting for. So he just restarted it now, and it sounds a lot better. He says it's the clutch bearing. We need to change that. He needs to take out the whole engine again. Change that part. But it's starting up good. It sounds now good. Brand new engine right here.
Go on the jack, the big stick. Give me that stick.
They're gonna try to hold the clutch or something. But now it's like that clutch bearing. So it made that weird noise. Look, nothing. No oil leaking, nothing. Everything sounds perfect. And that's what we wanted to see. So Hampton, you're jealous. Put in power steering. Yeah, and the smoke had came back, but now it left. The car got used to it. No smoke. Good sign. Mom's recording too. She's recording. I don't know why. Look at this technology right here. Look at holding the clutch right there. Finally got done my haircut. It's been like 2 weeks or 3 weeks since I didn't get a haircut. How do I look? Do I look good? Does it look good? Good haircut. So guys, I'm gonna ride this bike right here. My brother has like a whole collection of like bikes. He has like 10 bikes, as you can see back here. All these bikes. He has many bikes. I haven't rode bikes since it's been winter all this time. Now that it's like 77 degrees, it's fun to ride bikes. Got this bike right here. I'm gonna ride this blue one. Looks pretty nice. Let's see where I can get some speed. So I'm right here riding the bike. It's a really nice day today, I'm telling you. Awesome day to be riding bikes. Too bad I'm leaving right now, but it's really fun. I wish I would be able to stay, but I can't because I gotta go. So guys, I'm getting my gluten-free bread. It actually tastes good. People think it tastes gross, but it actually tastes the same as the other bread. So we're here at Target. I came to look for the HDMI cable for the MacBook, and I found it. $20. Here we go. So we're not gonna do anything else after this, so I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Hope you guys like it. See you on the next one.